Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Rockwood number 131-628 clear anodized aluminum cast door pull. Here it is. This is a piece of cast aluminum. They say that it's anodized. I'm not a finishing expert at all. If they say it's anodized, then it's anodized. I'm wondering if it's not, if there's some other process that they might do on an irregular shape like this to give it the appearance of anodized aluminum. Anyway, it's certainly an aluminum finish. It is an aluminum base material. This is a very typical and common surface pull that is both durable yet inexpensive. Will handle the job, but can also be expected to fail if you want it to. Here's what I mean. This model is surface mounted. Screws are included, just number 6 by 1, or they're number 8 by 3/4 oval head sheet metal screws. Some people will like to install these onto doors that have exit devices. You might have a need to pull that door open to enter the door that way, but some people literally want this to be ripped off should someone try to put a hook onto it and yank the door open. They want those holes to let go. They want the screws to be torn out. So it's a point where it will work well enough for normal use, but if someone attempts to break in that way, the purpose of the surface mount hole, some people expect it. They want it to fail so that the door and frame is not permanently damaged. Obviously, that's not the intent of a door pull, that it gets put in permanently and correctly, and of course there'd be no problem with that when this is properly installed. Rockwood also has a through-bolted model, and there is a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure, indeed, and you'll see the 131 and the through-bolted 130 model on the second page of that document. Okay, that's all there. Other associated, related sister pulls to the 131 pull are also there for your review. The 131 can be manufactured in aluminum, obviously, brass or bronze base materials along with stainless steel, so it can be done in all of those finishes and those base materials, and therefore the finishes that would go along with those base materials. Your brass and your bronze base materials will give you those architectural finishes. Brass, bronze, polished satin, nickel, chrome, etc., etc. Stainless steel will give you the option, of course, for a satin finish and even technically a polished finish, assuming Rockwood will provide a polished on this pole, should you ever want that sort of combination. In an expensive utility pole with a polished stainless finish, that I've never sold. Dimensional properties, let's check that out. They've got an overall length of 7.5. Indeed, it might be a little shy on that. Hardly. Projection 2.25. Therefore, this pole is not handicap compliant because it's inside dimension and is about 1.5 inches. You would need a much larger dimension to make it handicap compliant. The center to center on this is probably in the 5.5 inch range. No, probably closer to 6.25 inch range. Let's take a look. Center to center on those screw holes. It was right the first time. 5.5 inch center line on those holes. Should you have a model that you're going to through bolt, 5.5. The diameter of the base, 2 inch. Okay. Again, screws are included. Okay. Nice quality item. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Rockwood products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Rockwood number 131 pull in a US 28 finish or any other Rockwood product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.